These are the answers for the Chapter 20 study guide. A blueprint is a scale model of a stage set. False. Though there is some teamwork involved in set construction, the master carpenter is the most important member of the crew. False. To work in the theater, you need a broad understanding of the theater space. True. Most large set pieces are built not on stage, but in the scene shop. True. A 2x4 board is exactly 2 inches by 4 inches. False. The sides of a flat are called stiles. True. The most commonly used flat is the Hollywood flat. True. There are toggle rails at the top and bottom of a flat. False. The first coat of paint is known as the prime coat. True. The system used to fly actors and access overhead equipment and set pieces is called rigging. True. Why is it important to know your theater space and which personnel are responsible for each element of the set construction process? Answers will vary, but should reflect an awareness of safety issues and work efficiencies involved with building and erecting a set, as well as the specific duties handled by each crew. Here is a sample answer. It is important to know the theater space and which personnel are responsible for each element because many crews will be working at the same time. Crew members need to know who is in charge of each crew and what each crew is responsible for doing. While crew work looks chaotic, in reality it should be a well-organized process. Each technical crew is dependent on the others. In order to create an organized and safe environment, each crew member must be aware of the theater space itself. Where is it safe to stand when rigging is being lowered? Where are the fire extinguishers? How and where are tools stored? The onstage environment can be dangerous unless cast and crew are situationally aware. In your own words, describe the process of building a Hollywood flat. Answers will vary somewhat, but should reflect the student's understanding of the process of cutting, assembling, and covering the flat. Here is a sample answer. Using 1x4 lumber, measure and cut 2 8-foot boards, stiles, then cut 2 4-foot boards, rails. Finally, measure and cut the toggle. The toggle should be 4 feet minus the width of the 2 stiles. Next, lay out the stiles, rails, and toggle to arrange the flat. The boards should be up on their edges. Make sure all the edges are square. Glue the rails and toggle to the stiles. Then screw the rails and toggle to the stiles. Corner braces add further stability. Cut a piece of Luan or thin plywood to fit to the outside edge of the frame. Apply a thin layer of glue over the edges of the frame. Secure the Luan or thin plywood with screws. What does it take to stay safe and productive while working in the scene shop during the creation of a stage set? Answers will vary, but should include some version of the following. Crew members should make sure that hair and clothing will not get caught in tools. Crew members should wear protective gear. Crew members should stay alert. Crew members should learn proper tool use. Crew members should make sure to use proper ventilation. Crew members should keep an eye on those working above them. Crew members should unplug tools after use. Crew members should watch out for sharp objects. If you have any questions, please open the assignment and write a private comment.